Me and you two.
We got potatoes.
Mom, what another one? Here.
Yeah. How many do we have? Look at these little baby potatoes. How cute.
Mom,
We got more potatoes. Oh, that one's kind of rotten. Let's see. Ew, that one's rotten.
Mom, that one's rotten too.
We got more
rotten
potatoes. No,
too.
leave that one. How exciting.
Mom, leave that one not rotten.
Yeah, leave it. Yeah,
Mom, is that one rotten?
No, I don't think so. Uh-oh.
Mom, let's see if it's rotten. No, not rotten. No, not rotten.
Watch your head, baby.
Not rotten, Mom. Not rotten.
Got a rotten one right here.
Oh yeah, that one definitely rotten.
Got some little baby potatoes growing. Let's put these little baby potatoes in the trash.
Mom, that one too?
Sure. Oh no, honey, you dropped out potatoes. Get them, we gotta eat them later.
Mom, when can we eat them?
Later?
Huh?
Later?
Oh, Mom, that one have.
Pull all the leaves out. Whoa. Put it in a bag. Now we're gonna dig in there, see if there's any potatoes.
That one potatoes too?
Mm-hmm. Potatoes too, sweetheart. Keep digging. Let's see.
Want to out the shovel?
Wait, let mommy dig. We're gonna pull this one out. The potatoes are stuck to the root. Here's a potato.
A nice potato. Mom, we got other potatoes.
Over here. Keep digging, baby. See if there's any more potatoes. Hey, you gotta keep digging. With your hands.
I'm gonna take them.
Here's another potato. These are so fun to grow. You gotta use your hand, honey. It's too hard to use that. You gotta dig all the way to the bottom. And feel roots, so there's gonna be, see, a potato. You gotta feel the roots, see? Find the roots, that's where the potatoes are. There's more roots down there, you gotta keep digging. Let's do this side. Oh, God, yucky potato down there. It's all rotten. Let me get that one up. There's that one up. Come on, Bella, move.
Right here?
Pull it up. Did you get a potato yet?
No, a rotten one.
Keep digging. There's a rotten one. Keep digging. What's that one? Got a potato. You gotta keep digging deep. Let me see that potato. Look how perfect our potato is. Look at that thing. Got the roots out. Now dig deeper for the potatoes. You got a red potato? Dude. How fun is this? Got a red potato. Whoopsie. Another baby one.
We can keep that one.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
What else? How many potatoes on that one? Lots of little baby ones, huh?
We'll keep that one.
Okay.
And this one. And the rotten one.
We'll throw that one out. Throw this little rotten one out. Dig deeper.
Uh-oh.
What'd you get?
Potatoes.
How many? Any?
Yep.
Where? We got one off of that stem. Keep digging. We got a big one off of that one. Let me see. Show me. Show me. Our potatoes. Go deeper. Oh, wow. This one's giving us quite a few potatoes, huh? And another one. Gotta dig deeper. Any potatoes on that one?
We have a lot of potatoes.
Wow, this is so fun. You having fun?
Yep.
Okay, don't get all the sand out or the dirt out. Show me that one. Nice. This one we could regrow. I see a root right here. There's a root. Pull that one out. Go deep.
I feel a potato.
Don't pull that. Here, we'll leave this to regrow because this one's already rotten almost. So we get to regrow it.
Mama, I found a baby potato.
Let me see. Don't, is it wrong? Wait, if it has all that root. What was a good one? We can peel that off. We got a mixture of red and yellow potatoes. Any more? There's a lot of potatoes. Don't peel that off here. Let me see. Okay, we'll leave this one to regrow. No, we'll leave this one to regrow. Any more?
I don't think so.
I see one right here. What's this
No,
one?
let me pull that
Okay.
one.
What do you have there? Is it a big one? Nice. Look at that big potato. Kind of. Dude, you're making a mess. My carrots were a fail. Here they are. This has been like a year. That's all it's grown. About an inch. Let's see. I had two. The other one died. So let's check these. Oh, here's another. That one's a cute one. There's a little one. And another.